Our judges for the competition.
I dreamed a dream in time gone by. Hope was high and life was living. I dreamed that love would never die. That God would be everything. When I was young and unafraid, my dreams were made and used, wasted. There was no ransom to be paid, no song unsung, no wine untasted. But the tigers call at night with the voices of
Pretty girl. Good job, Sophie. Good job, Sophie Grace.
as they
Way to rock
tear
it.
your hopes apart, and they turn your dream to shame.
First event. Score.
Still I dream he'd come to me, that we would live the years together. But there are dreams that cannot be, and there are storms we cannot weather. I had a dream my life would be so different from this hell I'm living, so different now from what it seemed. Now life has killed the dream I dreamed.
Sweet.
36.75, Ellie Deacon. Finishing third with a 35.3, Emma Friend. Finishing fourth with a 33.25, Haley Brown, VA Techniques. Finishing fifth with a 31.825, Ashlyn Kirchner, VA Techniques. These are your all-around champions. Ladies, salute.
Let's go.